You're given an equation and it says the equation above defines a circle in the xy plane. What are the coordinates of the center? Now, I want to tell you of two forms of equation of a circle. So, equation of a circle could be either in the center form, which means it's written like this: x minus h quantity square plus y minus some number quantity square equals r square. It's called center form because you can quickly tell the center and radius. The center is hk and the radius is r. Now, sometimes the equation is written differently. You don't see the center right away here. Now, if you expand the squares here and then move everything to the left, so the right side is just 0. That's called the standard form. So what does the standard form look like? It has x square plus y square. Notice the coefficients of both x square and y square are just 1. And then it has some x coefficient. I'm calling it 2g, and it has a y coefficient. I'm calling it 2f for a reason. And then you have a constant term. So you have x square plus y square, and then some x term, some y term, and then a constant term. So when you're given this form, then the center is simply this. You want to take the opposite because it's negative g. So opposite and also half of that. That's why I'm calling it as 2g. And similarly, you take opposite half of the y coefficient. Opposite half of the y coefficient. Opposite half of x, opposite half of y. And to get the radius, you have to take square root of g square plus f square. Or you can use the coordinates from the center and square them and add them and subtract c, subtract the constant term, and everything is under the square root. Now, this equation is not quite in the standard form because you don't have 0 on the right side. So let's rewrite this as x square plus, we don't have y square, but that's okay, 20x plus y square plus 16y minus 20 is equal to 0. So now what is the center going to be? Center is going to be opposite half of the x coordinate. So 20 becomes negative 10. And opposite half of the y coefficient. So that's going to be negative 8. So B is our answer choice.